I want you to get up here, lie down on the front seat. When they pick me up, you follow us. You got that? Hey, here they come. Stay down, stay down.
Say, are you guys going to Davenport? My car died and I'm late for a luncheon.
We usually don't pick up hitchhikers. But I'm gonna go with my instinct on this one. Saddle up, partner. You're it. You're it. You're it. Quitsies!
Any quitsies? You're it, quitsies. No any quitsies, no startsies.
You can't do that.
Can't do?
Cannot. Stamped it.
Can't do double stamped it, no erases.
Cannot. Triple stamped it. No erases. Toast blue, make it true.
No. You can't triple stamp a double stamp. You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lloyd. You can't triple stamp a double stamp. Lloyd! You
Guys! Enough! Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Guys!
Fellas, you think we could listen to the radio or something?
Radio? Who needs a radio? Ready, Harry? Mock.
Yeah!
Ing.
Yeah!
Bird.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Mockingbird, don't everybody have you heard?
Have you heard?
She's gonna buy me a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, she's gonna buy me a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring don't shine.
Hey, Lloyd, look, there's some people who want to ride too.
Pick 'em up!